G'day guys, today we're going to be doing some Sunbeam stuff. That's early 60s Sunbeam, 4-cylinder. We'll give you a look at the parts beforehand and then we'll chuck them in the hydroblasting cabinet, we'll clean them up and we'll show you them when they're finished. So here's a look at what we're going to be cleaning up today. We've got the manifold, it's a yucky grey colour. The old rocker cover, that's seen better days. The oil filler and cap. The fuel pump, and looks like the oil pump. So anyway, we might start with the easy bit first. We might do the manifold. Well, that's looking heaps better. We'll pop that on the table over here. Yeah, that's nice. Now we'll see what we can do with this. That's better. And that rocker cover's looking very nice. Okay, what do we do next? We might have a go at the oil filler and the oil filler cap. They're steel, so they would have been zinc plated at some stage. He's going to have to paint those or get them plated after I'm done. There'll be no paint or coating left on those. Anyway, we'll chuck them in and we'll see how they come out. So I've done the filler cap and the oil filler tube. They're definitely going to need some paint or something on those. Now that filler cap, I wonder how much they got paid to use Shell oil only on them. Hey, I bet there was a few bucks in that. But anyway, haven't done the underneath because this thing is a flexible sealing surface under here, and I would hate to blow glass up between that and the housing under pressure, because it'd stay there until it wouldn't, and then it'd come out and go into the oil. So we haven't done that, but it looks nice from the outside. Anyway, we might do some of this oil pump stuff. We'll do that one. There's no holes to block up on that. We can do that. This one we'll have to block these, and a couple of holes in there that we'll block as well, so that we limit the amount of glass that gets into those galleries. Anyway, we'll do this bit now. Well, that piece that the oil filter screws onto came up nicely. Now this bit bolts onto it by the look of things. We'll go and find some tape and some bungs and cover a few holes in this and then chuck it in the cabinet. So there we go, got some race tape on those connection points there and some silicone bungs in those holes there. Hopefully they're in tight enough and won't come out. I won't blast directly onto those, but that should keep glass and water out of the guts of it. So we'll pop that in the cabinet right now and have another go. And that's a look at that pressure relief valve assembly after it's been done. That's come up nice. We'll pull those plugs out and take that tape off and then move on to the fuel pump. Okay, so I've just taped up this fuel pump just to keep water and glass out of the non-return valves that are in there. So we'll pop that in the booth now and give it a clean and show you that when it's done, and we'll do that one also. And that's the fuel pump parts done and dusted. We only concentrated on the outside, the stuff that you can see, because we didn't want to get glass and water into areas that you didn't want it later on. So anyway, that's the whole lot done on the Sunbeam. That's looking very nice. I think the customer will be very happy with that. Well guys, something a little bit different for the day. Sunbeam stuff coming through the workshop. Don't get a lot of that. Hope you got something from that and enjoyed it. I hope you're well in life and doing the things you want to do. Don't forget, check out one of those videos if you've got nothing to do, and I'll catch you on the next one.